After a successful run in Lancaster County, a UNL program designed to help children is now expanding. And Channel 8's Macy Meyer has more on the program and its goals. Macy?
Rob, the university's law department has been offering a helping hand when it comes to juvenile court and representing those who aren't old enough to help themselves.
Trauma for children, child development, substance use, human trafficking, and all those issues are really prevalent in child welfare cases, and we need attorneys with the knowledge and skills about those areas as well.
There's a lot that goes into juvenile court. Attorneys having to represent kids in all different ages of life, from infants to teenagers. For the last 4 years, the University of Nebraska Law Department has stepped up and allowed third-year law students to help those kids who need someone to be their voice. The program has done so well, they've now decided to expand into rural communities in the state, an area that is fairly underserved when it comes to juvenile court.
Our colleagues continually in the rural part of the state voice their concern of the lack of services and lack of quality representation at times, and even a lack of attorneys who want to practice in juvenile court proceedings.
In a recent study, 40% of juvenile court judges across Nebraska said they did not have sufficient numbers of high-quality attorneys in juvenile court. Through fundraising and grants, the university will now be able to provide the same guidance they do to UNL law students to those attorneys who work in the system.
We'll apply the similar model that we're doing in the clinic by having extensive education in all areas of child welfare and juvenile justice, but the attorneys participating will also receive expert case consultation.
The goal is to encourage more attorneys in the rural parts of the state to be a voice for the voiceless.
My hope would be that our colleagues in the rural state, and not only their colleagues, but the children and families in the rural part of the state, have that same opportunity for quality legal representation.
Now, Paxton said this will be the only program in the state that really offers a deep dive into that juvenile court system and offers more guidance for those attorneys.
Oh, it's great they're doing this. All right, Macy Meyer, thank you so much for that report.